If you are relying only on your Aadhaar card to prove your date of birth, then this video is extremely important for you. In the last few days, social media and YouTube are full of claims that a new birth certificate law has come into force from 5th February 2026. The Supreme Court has rejected Aadhaar. Birth certificate rules have completely changed. But what is the legal truth? Is there really any new law from 5th February? And what exactly has the Supreme Court said about Aadhaar and date of birth? In this video, advocate Mukund Mahajan will explain the real legal position of birth certificates, expose the truth behind the 5th February new law claim, and clarify the Supreme Court's view on Aadhaar and date of birth.
Welcome to my YouTube channel, Legal Information Law Insights. I am advocate Mukund Mahajan. Let us understand everything clearly, legally, and without rumors. Recently, several viral videos and social media posts have claimed that from 1st or 5th February 2026, new rules regarding the issuance or correction of birth certificates have come into force, or that a fresh Supreme Court judgment has been delivered. However, as on date, no authenticated government notification or official Supreme Court order supports these claims. Part 1. Is there any new birth certificate law from 5th February? First, let us clear the biggest confusion. There is no new central law or Supreme Court order which has come into force from 5th February regarding birth certificates. No amendment passed by Parliament. No new act notified by the central government. No Supreme Court judgment changing the existing law from that date. Most viral claims are based on misinterpretation of old judgments and administrative instructions. Part 2. Legal status of birth certificate in India. Now let us understand the correct legal position. What is a birth certificate in law? Birth certificates in India are governed by the Registration of Births and Deaths Act, 1969. Under this act, a birth certificate is a statutory and primary document. It officially records date of birth, place of birth, parentage. In law, a birth certificate is treated as the mother document for date of birth. Part 3. Who issues a birth certificate in India? This is a very important point. Under the Registration of Births and Deaths Act, 1969, a birth certificate is issued only by Registrar of Births and Deaths appointed by Municipal Corporation, Municipal Council Nagar Parishad, Gram Panchayat, Cantonment Board. The registrar works under the state government. Hospitals, doctors, or nursing homes do not issue birth certificates. They only issue hospital birth records, which are supporting documents. Part 4. Which document is legally treated as a birth certificate? Only one document is legally treated as a birth certificate. A certificate issued under the Registration of Births and Deaths Act, 1969. Bearing registration number, date of registration, official seal and signature of the registrar. What is not treated as a birth certificate? The following are not birth certificates in the eyes of law: hospital birth slip or discharge summary, school leaving certificate, bona fide certificate from school, Aadhaar card, PAN card, passport. These documents may mention date of birth, but they cannot replace a statutory birth certificate. Part 5. Supreme Court on Aadhaar card and date of birth. Now let us come to the Supreme Court judgment which created confusion. Landmark case: Saroj and others vs. Iffco, Tokio General Insurance Co. and others. Decision date 24th October 2024. Court: Supreme Court of India. Bench: Honorable Justice Sanjay Karol and Honorable Justice Ujjal Bhuyan. Subject: Determination of age in motor accident claim cases, MACT. Background of the case: a person died in a motor accident. Compensation depended upon the age of the deceased. Lower courts relied on the Aadhaar card for date of birth. This resulted in reduced compensation. The matter reached the Supreme Court. Supreme Court observation: the Supreme Court clearly held. An Aadhaar card is not per se proof of date of birth. The court clarified that Aadhaar can be used as an identity document. Aadhaar cannot be treated as conclusive or final proof of date of birth. Reason: date of birth in Aadhaar is based on self-declaration. There is no verification of original birth records. Therefore, when birth certificate or school records are available, they must be given priority over Aadhaar. Part 6. What this judgment does not say. It is important to understand what the judgment does not say. Aadhaar is not cancelled. No new law came into force from 5th February. Aadhaar is not illegal. The judgment only clarifies the evidentiary value of Aadhaar. Conclusion: no new birth certificate law has come into force from 5th February. Birth certificate issued by registrar remains the most authoritative document. Aadhaar is only an identity proof, not proof of date of birth. Do not rely on rumors for important legal matters. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it informative, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for more legal insights. I will meet you in the next video soon. Jai Hind. Jai Bharat.